Linear inequalities part 2. Graphical solution of linear inequalities of single variable and two variables. First we need to know the type of statements. X less than a, x less or equal to a, x greater than a, x greater equal to a. Or we can write y less than b, y less or equal to b, y greater than b, or y greater equal to b. And where a, b are real number is called linear inequalities in one variable, either x or y. A statement can be written as ax plus by less than c, x plus by less or equal to c, x plus by greater than c, or x plus by greater equal to c. These statements are called linear inequalities of two variables x and y. Here you can check the two graphs. A straight line L divides the Cartesian plane into two parts, where each part is called half plane. A vertical line divides the plane into left hand and right hand half planes, and a non-vertical line in the second diagram divides the plane into lower half and the upper half planes. Now we need to know the solution set and the solution region. The set of all ordered pairs of real numbers which satisfy a given inequality is called solution set of the given inequality. And the region of the plane containing all points whose coordinates satisfy a given inequality is called solution region or graph of the inequality. Graphical solution in one variable. First we need to draw the line either x equal to a or y equal to b. The straight line x equal to a or y equal to b divides the plane into two halves. One half is the graph of x less than a, other half is x is greater than a. Shade the solution region of the inequality. If an inequality is of the form x is less or equal to a or x is greater equal to a, then the points on the line x equal to a are also included in the solution region, and draw a dark line in the solution region. If an inequality is of the form x is less than a or x is greater than a, then the points on the line x equal to a are not to be included in the solution region, and draw a broken line in the solution region. So when less or equal to or greater equal to sign is present, then x equal to a are included, and when only x less than a or x greater than a, then x equal to a are not included in the solution region. Let us consider the inequality 2y minus 3 less than 0 in one variable. Now consider the inequality as equality. First we draw the line of 2y minus 3 equal to 0, from where we can get y equal to 3 by 2 and y equal to 3 by 2, which is a horizontal line that is parallel to x-axis, and it divides the plane into two halves. The point which lie below the line y equal to 3 by 2 satisfy the given inequality 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Hence the graph of the solution or solution region as shown in the diagram. So we need to consider the points which are below the straight line y equal to 3 by 2. Now graphical solution of two variables. First draw the line ax plus by equal to c. The straight line ax plus by equal to c divides two coordinate plane in two halves. One half is the graph of ax plus by less than c, and other half is x plus by greater than c. For identifying the half plane, consider any point which is not on line ax plus by equal to c. If it satisfies the inequality, then the region contain the point, otherwise doesn't contain. For convenience, if we take the point 0 0, however if 0 0 lies on the line, then take any other point of the plane not lying on the line. If an inequality is of the form ax plus by less or equal to c or x plus by greater or equal to c, then the points on the line x plus by equal to c are also included in the solution region, and draw a dark line in the solution region. If an inequality is of the form x plus by less than c or x plus by greater than c, then the points on the line x plus by equal to c are not to be included in the solution region, and then draw a broken line in the solution region. Please note here, when greater equal to or less equal to sign present, then it's included in the region, and when only less than and only greater than sign present, and then it's not included in the solution region. So for that we need to draw a broken line. Solve the inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 6 graphically. For that we need to consider this inequality as equality, means 2x minus 3y equal to 6. So this is the equation of a straight line, and already we know that from a straight line how I can plot this straight line on any two-dimensional plane, that is xy plane. So draw this straight line, and if I draw this straight line, clearly the straight line intersect x-axis at the point 3 0 and the y-axis at the point 0 comma minus 2. Now for the graphical solution, how I shade the graphical part. For that we need to put the value of the origin, that is 0 0, in the inequality part, that is 2x minus 3y greater than 6. If I put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in 2x minus 3y greater than 6, we got the result as 0 is greater than 6. But we know that 0 is not greater than 6, so the statement is false. So we cannot consider origin in the solution region. So we cannot consider the upper half plane. We need to consider the lower half plane. And when I consider the lower half plane, check the lines are dotted or broken. Why these lines are broken? As inequality sign is present. There is no equality sign. So for that we need to draw the broken line, and the lower half plane of the line 2x minus 3y equal to 6, as shown in the figure, is the solution region for graphical problem. Solve graphically y is less than 2x plus 1. First consider the inequality as equality. We can write y equal to 2x plus 1, and this is the equation of a straight line. Already we know that how to draw a straight line on any coordinate plane. So first draw the straight line. Now check this straight line, divide it into two planes. One is lower half plane, another is upper half plane. Now if I put the value 0 0, that is the coordinate of the origin, in the condition, we can write it as 0 is less than 2 into 0 plus 1. So after calculation we can get the value 0 is less than 1. So the condition is true. So when this condition or the statement is true, we can say that 0 is included in the solution region. So if I want to include it 0 0, that is origin, in the solution region, so we need to shade the lower half plane. We cannot shade the upper half plane. So our solution region is the colored portion is shown in the graph, and we here our solution region is the lower half plane. And check here, as less than sign is present, so we need to draw it by a dotted line. We cannot draw a thick line here. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. X plus 2y less or equal to x, 2x plus y less or equal to x, 8, x is greater equal to 0 and y is greater equal to 0. Already we know that how to consider the inequality as equality and how we can draw the graph. So first draw this graph, and children check here is restriction is given, x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, so we need to consider the positive side of x and y. So we cannot go beyond the negative side of x axis or y axis. So after drawing this line, first we need to put the value of the origin in the first condition, that is x plus 2y equal to 8. Now if I put 0 0 in the inequality case, we got as 0 is less or equal to 8. So yes, obviously 0 is less than 8. So you need to consider the lower half part where the origin is present. So we need to draw the lower half part which is included in the solution region. Now if I consider the second condition, 2x plus y less or equal to 8, if I put the value of the origin, that is 0 0, so from here you can easily calculate that 0 is less or equal to 8. So also it satisfies this condition. So we need to consider the lower half plane, not the upper half plane. But children, check, these two graphs actually intersect at certain region, and which bounded in the x-axis from 0 to 4 and the y-axis from 0 to 4. So we need to shade this part and we need to draw the thick line as the equality sign is present here. Solve the following system of linear equation in two variables graphically. X plus y is greater or equal to 5 and x minus y is less or equal to 3. Again, consider the inequality as equality. We can easily draw the graph of these two straight lines. First draw them. Now we need to think about the solution region. In the first condition, if I put the value of the origin, that is in place of x 0 and in place of y 0, so 0 is greater or equal to 5, so which is false. So for the straight line x plus y equal to 5, we cannot consider the lower half plane. We need to consider the upper half plane. We cannot include 0. And in the second condition, x minus y less or equal to 3, if I put the value 0 0, then 0 is less or equal to 3, so the condition is true. So from here we need to shade the portion where origin is included. So if I consider the straight line x minus y equal to 3, so we need to include the zone where origin is included. Now check the intersection of these two zones. The blue shaded part. The blue shaded part actually indicate the feasible region or the solution region of the given inequalities. Solve the following system of linear equation graphically. 2x plus 3y less or equal to 6, 3x plus 2y less or equal to 6, and the non-negativity restriction is given x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0. Again, consider the inequalities as equality. We got two straight lines. One is 2x plus 3y equal to 6, another is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. And as x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0, so we need to bound it ourselves in the positive side of both x and y. We cannot move to the second quadrant. We need to bound it ourselves in the first quadrant. So when I consider 2x plus 3y less or equal to 6, if I put the value of the origin here, that is 0 0, so 0 is less or equal to 6. So we need to consider the origin included in the solution region. So we need to shade the lower half part of the straight line where the origin is present. And if I consider 3x plus 2y less or equal to 6, where if I put the value x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, again you get a condition 0 is less or equal to 6. So again you need to consider the lower half plane of the straight line. But we need to consider the intersection part of this two straight line. Means which part is common between the two region. Check the shaded part. is indicate the region that is actually the feasible region or the solution region, and it's bounded in the positive side of x and in the positive side of y. I think it's clear. The shaded region is already indicated in the figure. Solve graphically again. X minus y less or equal to 1, x plus 2y less or equal to 8, 2x plus y greater or equal to 2, x is greater or equal to 0, y is greater or equal to 0. So again we need to consider the inequality as equality. So we get a three state line. One is x minus y equal to 1, another is x plus 2y equal to 8, and the third one is 2x plus y equal to 2, and x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0. Already you know this meaning. That means we need to bound it in the positive side of x and the positive side of y. We cannot move up to the second quadrant. We need to restrict ourselves in the first quadrant. So if I put 0 0, that is the value of the origin, in the first condition, x minus y less or equal to 1, that 0 is less or equal to 1. So we need to consider the lower half part where the origin need to be included. Now if I put the 0 0 in x plus 2y less or equal to 8, we got a condition 0 is less or equal to 8. Here you also need to consider the origin. And the third one, if I put 0 0, 2x plus y is greater or equal to 2, so 0 is greater or equal to 2, but this condition is false, so we cannot include the origin. So you need to move on the upper half plane. We cannot consider the lower half plane. Now if I consider the intersection part of these three region, we got a region is already indicated in the figure, that shaded region. So this shaded region actually represents the solution set of the given inequations. Thank you children for watching this video. Now you can start solving problem from your textbook.